Starting off the vlog in North Shore, Massachusetts. On my way to Maine for the weekend, but I'm taking a quick detour to a sunflower field that's probably about to be done and over with now because it's getting cooler, so they'll probably be dead soon. Wanted to check that out real quick, see if I can get a quick drone flight in. So let's see if we can get something.
People acting. People acting.
So, I've never been on a cruise ship. I've never seen a cruise ship in person, but there just happens to be one over here, docked at the pier. I just can't even get over how massive this thing is. I've never seen one up close like this.
People acting.
I got to the top of the parking garage here just to get a little different of a view to see if I could see a little more of the cruise ship, just because it's something that I've never seen before. Travel or not, Airbnb is probably the best way to go because you get to go somewhere that feels like a home. It feels cozy. You have your own stuff, you have your own room. Rather than being in a hotel, I think it's way more personal to do Airbnb because you get to stay in somebody's house. It's lived in. It just seems more comfortable this way to travel. You get to meet new people. You get to learn things about the area, whether or not you know about them. What I like about this one now is it's actually in a wicked cool little neighborhood, super Americana. You know, when I think of Maine, this is what I think of. A nice neighborhood like this, kids riding their bikes up and down the street. You don't see that a lot where I'm from anymore, so it's always nice to see that, but can't go wrong with doing something like this.